No matter what industry you're in, if you take photos and videos on the job site, CompanyCam is for you. When anyone is taking photos or videos in CompanyCam, they're instantly available to you wherever you are, whether you're in the field or in the office. CompanyCam stores your photos and videos in the cloud, so no matter where you are, you have direct access to them. They're not taking up space on your phone, so you can take as many photos and videos as you'd like. Whether you have 3 crew members or a team of 50, getting them added is the first step. It's as simple as entering their email address, choosing their permission, and sending the invite. Once your team is in the app, communicating through a project is super simple. You can use project conversations or comment on each other's photos and videos, or even assign tasks to make sure the work is getting done. When you use the app mention, it'll send your team a notification to make sure they saw it. Now that your team can talk, it's time to create your first project. When you arrive at the job site, just click Create Project, and we'll use your GPS location to show you the addresses nearest you. Once you have that created, we'll save the project by its location. Any photos taken are automatically organized within the project by the date and time and by the person who took them. A picture is worth 1,000 words, but sometimes you need more. That's why our camera makes it easy for you to add notes and descriptions to your photos without typing a word. Photos and videos taken in CompanyCam can be tagged so you can easily find them later. You can add text annotations and drawings on top of your photos to provide more context as well. Everything you capture is easy to find later. You can search and filter by tags, users, or labels to find the information you need. Filter by date to find a photo from day 1, then use our before and after templates to line it up with the final result and show off your work. Every job site has a lot of moving parts. That's where checklists come into play. You can keep track of everything happening, create custom lists, and check off tasks as you go. You can even create a photo checklist that requires your team to add photos before they can complete a task. Assign this to a crew member, they'll go through this checklist and take every photo that you need, ensuring that you have all the information for your project. Talk about a win-win. Pages are your team's digital notebook. This is a great collaborative space to share job site details, photos, and notes to keep everyone on the same page. Literally. Pages become even more impactful when you use CompanyCam's AI-powered actions to generate shareable overview docs, organize notes and summaries to share with your team and customers. Need more ways to share progress and status updates with subcontractors, insurance adjusters, and clients? CompanyCam has them. Share an entire timeline to provide a real live feed of photos, or choose your favorites to share as a gallery. For a more professional look, create a PDF photo report. Save documents right in your projects too. Bills, bids, and contracts, all these documents start to pile up. Just scan or upload them into CompanyCam and never lose an important document again. Then request, track, and gather signatures on your document from CompanyCam. This will simplify your workflow and protect your business from liabilities. Get paid for your work quickly by requesting and collecting payments right in the CompanyCam app. Overly complicated invoices are a thing of the past. Take advantage of over 50 integrations or connect CompanyCam with any app using Zapier. You can also use our Chrome extension to access your CompanyCam photos from nearly any website. Want to give it a try? Get started today at CompanyCam.com.